Lesson 6.2 notes. We're going to describe the transformations that occur when compared to the parent function f of x equals x squared. Remember, f of x and y are the same, so this could be written as y equals x squared. Notice in the problem there are several things different compared to the function y equals x squared. We will identify each part and describe what occurs to the graph. First, notice your a value is negative. We also have an a value of 5/7. When we talk about the value, we care about the absolute value. So the absolute value of negative 5/7 is just 5/7. We also have an h value of 2. Be careful not to call that a negative 2, because in vertex form you need the minus sign in order to identify your h. Therefore, since we have the minus sign, our h is just 2. And then finally we have a k value of 9. So each of these things require a transformation of the graph. First, a being negative, the graph opens down. Next, with the 5/7 as your a value, because that is less than 1, the graph will be wider. H is a positive 2. You can think about h as a horizontal movement along the x-axis. So h being a positive 2 will make the graph move in a horizontal direction, shifting right 2 places. And finally, the k equaling a 9 is just like the c value of a function in standard form. This k value makes it shift up or down. Because it is positive, it will shift up. Example number 2. Let's once again list each of these values, and then we'll determine their transformations. The a is positive. You don't have to list it as a transformation because the a is also positive in the parent function. So we'll just list that the a is 3. The h is negative 7. Being careful that plus 7 can be changed as minus a negative in order to identify the h correctly. And then finally, the k value is negative 4. Each of these values cause a transformation of the graph. Because the a is greater than 1, it makes the graph narrow. The h causes a horizontal shift. H for horizontal. Because it is negative, it will shift in the direction on the horizontal axis to the left. And finally, the k is a negative 4. This will cause the graph to shift down.